Today we're seeing some incredible footage from 1940s Tokyo, Japan. Now, this footage is from a documentary called The Rise of Tokyo in Color. What's pretty incredible is how the city transformed itself from really a place that was mostly made of wood up until the Second World War to the modern metropolis that we see today. If we were to describe the way that Tokyo was able to rise after World War II, we could say that it rose from the ashes twice. First from the earthquake, which devastated the city, and second from the US strategic bombing. And what's pretty amazing about this footage is seeing this rise of Tokyo back from the 1940s and how they were able to rise so well. It has been captured and digitally restored to bring us back to that time. So let's enjoy together Rise of Tokyo from the 1940s.
I sort of feel inclined to kind of speak my mind. I find I'm falling.
Won't you say the key? Let's have your stick and love.
It's so plain to see. Tonight's the night when love's the thing that rules supreme.
Or is it just a dream I dream? Outside it's raining, adorable.
Inside it's raining, nothing but the loveliest love.
Then won't you say to me, let's have your heart and hand.
You're so heavenly, I know you'll understand how happy we can be. If the lonely stay to be.